Hey guys, how's it going? As you can see behind me, today is the day. We're going to start mocking up the V8, drop into the Volvo, see how well it fits, what I need to buy, what I need to mod. But it starts now. I'm so super excited. Alright, engine is up and out. It's hanging here freely like you can see. What we're going to do now is we're going to pull off this air conditioning bracket, because we won't need it. And we're going to start mounting up the motor mounts I got.
No doubt. So with this design, you'll be able to. Oh, you got a ground strap there. So on this side, if you want to go forward more than an inch forward. Right. I think the way that's set up, I think you'll be able to go up each side of it from underneath.
Locked in.
Oh, great. This is why we can't have nice things. We can pull it back out
Okay.
and set it on the tire. It's going to come out anyways because the pan's coming off.
Mm-hmm.
So let's pull it back out.
Okay.
Let's not leave it kind of sitting on that.
Alright, well, that's very educational exercise right there. We are very much not going to put the engine in today. First of all, I got a handful of problems to address. This frame, super narrow on the exhaust headers. So I'm going to pull the exhaust headers off so you can get the fit better. The steering arm knocks on the exhaust headers. And the transmission tunnel is just too narrow to fit the truck transmission. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in there with a mallet. I'm just going to start smacking around on that transmission tunnel. I've already expanded out the first couple of inches, at least 2 inches wider, which helps. But I just got to get in there and just expand the whole thing out as far as I can. I mean, you can kind of see it right now, where I've just been smacking it, how much wider it is. Hopefully I can do that to the rest of the tunnel and just get it to grow the rest of the way out. Because the alternative would be to cut the tunnel out and build my own with plate steel, and I don't want to do that at all. Another issue we came across was between our motor mounts and our cross members, the oil pan, we got it to sit right about here. And we need another 6 inches back to get it to go in the actual car and sit comfortably. But it's no good, so we're gonna have to go ahead and order that low profile oil pan anyways. And just between exhaust headers and oil pan, it's probably close to another $1,000 that I don't have. can't swing a hammer like that forever. I'll go ahead and take 5. Move over to those exhaust manifolds. Yeah. Alright, got the manifolds off. That makes a lot less space on the engine. So hopefully that fits in a lot better the next time I try and fit it down in. Let me check the time real quick. 2:52. Okay. Yeah, it's about time for me to go to school. But yeah, finals week. I'm trying to put this engine in this Volvo. It's getting kind of crazy. But yeah, probably we'll wrap that up hopefully soon. We got the transmission tunnel banged out, got the engine sitting there. I'll probably come down early next time and try and bang that out a little more, make a little more space for ourselves. And well, I don't know, we gotta fix that oil pan. I'm gonna go home, look into an oil pan, see what I can do with that. Hopefully I can just find something nearby that's used and I can throw that on really fast and get the engine in the car. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, then like the video, like I said, go ahead and comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. It's a little bit of a shorter video, but we'll get there.